Welcome to Top of the Hill Fitness. I'm Shane. Today I'm doing a 10-minute abs and core intensive workout with you. The painting hanging on the wall is by Pierre Coupé. Oil on canvas, 5 feet by 5 feet, titled Rock Pool 5. The Rock Pool series are based on Pierre's recollections of swimming in the Laurentian Mountains in the summertime when he was young. Today's workout is going to be a nice tight 10 minutes, as I said. 20 exercises, no repeated exercises, 30 seconds each. We're going to get going in 4 seconds here with a bicycle crunch. Okay, so nice and slow. You can speed it up if you want a little more of a cardio workout. Think about getting that shoulder to the opposite knee, not just squeezing your elbow in. Next, we're going to move into a side plank dip on your left side. So up on your left elbow, side plank, nice solid side plank, and then dip those hips down to the ground and pull them all the way back up. Really think about shooting that right hip up to the ceiling. Five to go, and then we'll switch it to the other side. Okay, side plank dips on the right. Be sure you return to that good solid side plank position. So straight line through the ankle, through the hip, through the shoulder when you're at the top position there. Okay, 5 seconds, we're going to go into a V-sit with a scissor kick. So on your bum, flat back, 45-degree angle to the ground, and bring your feet one over the other, alternating. If you want to make this a bit easier, put your hands further behind you on the ground. Next exercise is the dead bug in 5 seconds. So on your back, knees up, and opposite arm and opposite leg extend out. Keep in mind pushing the small of your back into the ground through this motion, and very still through the hips. Five seconds to go until butt-ups. Okay, still on your back, legs straight up above you, and shoot your legs up into the air, bringing your butt up off the ground. I tend to put my thumb underneath my butt to give me a little bit of a cheat there. Makes it a little bit easier. 10 seconds to go. 5 more seconds before a cross crunch. Okay, now reach the right hand to the left knee, left hand to the right knee. Adjust your shirt. Okay, and keep your chest up off the ground. Keep that core engaged the whole time. Going to move to plank ups in 4 seconds. Okay, plank ups from elbow plank to high plank, and alternate which arm goes down. And don't forget to maintain that plank position. Again, straight line through ankle, knee, hip, and shoulder. Five more seconds, and then plank walkout. So in an elbow plank position, tiny little motion, walk out with your elbows and back. Centimeter, half an inch at a time, depending if you're metric versus imperial. Okay, heel taps comes next in 5. Okay, onto your back, knees bent, feet on the floor, and we're just going to tap our heels. Right hand, right heel, left hand, left heel. Again, stay engaged in the core. Don't come down to the ground and rest. Reverse crunch with a slow lower is in 5. Okay, on your back, bring those knees up towards your chin, and then slowly lower the heels down to the ground. Hands at your side. As you're lowering down, think about that small of the back pushing into the ground. Next exercise is side crunch on the right. Okay, lying down on your left side, on your right side. One arm out, and then crunch up. So the left elbow to the left knee. Switching sides in 5. Next one is going to be high plank, knee to elbow, and then cross over. So high plank, we're going to do the right knee to the right elbow, then the right knee to the left elbow, then left knee, left elbow, left knee, right elbow. Pilates toe taps comes next in 5. Okay, like the other exercises that we've done from our back, think about the small of the back pushing into the ground and your hips staying very still and lower down gently, one leg at a time, maintaining that 90-degree bend in the knee. Abs engaged the whole time. Okay, Russian twist is next. Okay, up into the V-sit position, 45-degree angle, flat back, feet off the ground, and twist side to side. Easier version, feet on the ground. We're going to stay in this position for the next one. We're going to do V-sit with arm pulse. Okay, so maintain the V-sit position and pulse the arms. It's getting hard. Ten more seconds. Keep it going. Okay, plank position, hip dips next, alternating from side to side. Elbow plank, right hips come down to the ground, left hips come down to the ground. Okay, next we're going to do a Prairie Dog Crunch in 5 seconds. So hands and knees, Prairie Dog, which is opposite arm out, opposite leg, and then crunch them together, push them out again, and switch sides. And when you're doing the crunch part, bring that knee right up to your chin if you can. I cannot, but do the best with what you got. Okay, less than 10 to go. And we're going to finish it off with 30 seconds of elbow plank. Okay, elbow plank position. Think about a nice solid form. Don't let the hips fall down to the ground. Don't shoot the butt up into the sky. Straight line, ankle, knee, hip, shoulder. Okay, good job. There is 10 minutes of intensive abs work. So I'm going to push myself into an up dog or a cobra position. Stretching out the abs, moving from side to side a little bit. From here, going to push into a downward dog. Try to make a triangle with the body, opening up the armpits towards the mat. And then sitting back onto the heels in child's pose. Coming up on the fingertips of the right hand, get some side body stretch there, and then over to the left. Okay, great workout, everybody. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And I'd ask you to maybe tell a couple of people that might enjoy these workouts to come check us out as well. That would really help us keep the channel going. And please leave feedback as well. If you give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and any comments are welcome. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time at Top of the Hill.